Question number 39. Here, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are the threshold wavelength. V1, V2, V3 are the corresponding stopping potentials. And lambda is the incident wavelength. So, first case, tell me, lambda 1 is less than lambda. That means threshold wavelength is less than incident wavelength. Emission will not be possible. Emission will be possible only when incident wavelength is less than threshold wavelength or incident frequency more than threshold frequency. So here, incident wavelength is more than what wavelength? Threshold wavelength. So no emission possible. First case, no emission possible. Therefore, stopping potential will be 0. No emission possible, stopping potential. Second case and third case, emission will happen because lambda incident wavelength is less than lambda 2 greater than lambda, or lambda less than lambda 2, lambda 3, lambda much less than lambda 3. Therefore, C by lambda incident energy is equal to work function hc by lambda 2 plus E into V2, correct? Therefore, E into V2 will be is equal to hc by lambda minus hc by lambda 2. Similarly, E into V3 is equal to hc by lambda minus hc by lambda 3. Now, look here, lambda 2 is less than lambda, not much less than lambda. Therefore, what is this term? Lambda 2 is greater than lambda. Lambda 2 is greater. So, this term will be less. This term will be less, isn't it? Therefore, we have what? Hc lambda is slightly more than this. In second case, therefore, V2 is what? V2 is positive value. And here, hc by lambda 3 is much less than what? hc by lambda. Because lambda 3 is much greater than lambda. Lambda 3 is much greater. So this term will be much less than what? hc by lambda. Therefore, EV3 will be more than the case of EV2. Therefore, first case, V1 is 0. Second case, once again I am telling, this case, this term is slightly less than what? hc by lambda. This is much less than hc by lambda. This is slightly less than hc by lambda. This is much less than hc by lambda. Therefore, automatically EV3 will be greater than EV2. Therefore, I can say V1 is equal to 0 and V3 is greater than V2. Or you can also say V1 is 0 or V2 is less than V3. Whatever option is written, we can check it. Yes, V1 is 0. This is the correct option. This is the correct option. What is that? V1 is 0, V2 is less than V3. Okay, that way we have to do it.